All right, it's finally time. We just came in and Daisy is getting ready to go into labor and she's already started pushing. So we're getting ready for this. Okay, we're getting really close. She's been showing signs of labor getting close for a few days now, and we've been on alert, and she is ready to push. So we should have babies here soon. Let's keep going. Are we pushing? She's pushing. She's doing a good job. Good job, sweetie. The thing that we need to keep an eye out for her is that sometimes her babies are born with a double sac. She's got really thick sacs, and so we just have to make sure the babies can breathe. Other than that, she is an excellent mom, and she's really great at doing her thing. I know, baby. You're doing such a good job. You're such a good mommy. You're such a good mommy. You're doing such a good job. I know. You got it. You got it. Everybody's here rooting for the little mama.
Not everybody. Dad is not home from work yet.
Dad is not home yet from work, but all the mamas are, the little mamas.
What does that mean?
That means Daisy has a bunch of little mamas.
I don't have kids.
You have Daisy kids.
My child. Okay, kind of.
Daisy, my baby bird.
We have a baby. Do we have baby number one? Once she cleans off, we'll look and see.
Little black baby.
Okay, yeah. Little black baby, little socks, huh? Good mama, cleaning off baby number one. That's a little girl. Yeah, how sweet is that?
Mom, so her front paws, the arms are white, but the tops of her paws are black.
That's so fun. She's got some fun colorings. We had one that was really similar in coloring to that, and we named it Socks. And she really was one of the cutest.
She was the cutest, and she was so stinking sweet.
And fluffy.
And fluffy.
And she has a really good home now.
Now they call her Remy.
Yeah, Remy is her name. It could be 10 minutes. It could be 30 minutes between babies. We just don't know, but she is pushing. Oh, here's another one. Another little black one.
Oh.
Oh, this one says, Mommy, you're busy. You're busy. Come love me. We've got baby number two, and baby number one is not happy that Mama is ignoring her and letting her know. All right, we've got number two is a little boy, and he looks all black. Oh, he's so cute. Good job, Mama. Good job. You're doing such a good job. Oh, you're such a good mommy. Such a good mommy. Are you good mommy? Where's Toby?
Over there.
Toby says, I don't want nothing to do with it. Toby, it's your babies. All right, I think we're ready for number three. We're pushing again. Oh, look at those sweet babies. Little girl and a little boy. You're doing a good job, sweetie.
Oh, she rolled over.
She's a stink. Whoa, here we go.
Yeah. Another one that looks like socks, I think.
Let's get these guys out of the way for a minute.
Ooh,
Ooh, that was fast.
Is that another black one?
Yep.
I think it looks like socks. Another one that looks like socks.
Mama left these guys because she's giving birth. Look at all those babies. 3, 2 boys and a girl. Good girl. Good mama. Oh, and we're already pushing again. That was fast.
Can you give us your name?
Here we go. Come on.
First time we had a black, a spotted, 2 whites, and a blonde. The second time we had 3 blacks, or 2 blacks and 1 spotted black, and then a blondish, whitish, light blonde.
All right, number 4. Come on, you got it, sweetie. This is number 4.
In there. That looks like a light one. Oh, you can actually see it this time. Come on. You got it. Is it going to be a white girl, please?
We're rooting for a white girl. Hello, little
Because
one.
we've never had a white girl. We've had black girls and boys. We've had spotted girls and boys. We've only ever had white boys.
Number 4 is a girl.
Brown. Yes, she's a girl.
Blonde or light brown?
I can't tell. Daisy's color. She might be. She looks like a caramel color, but that also might be because she's wet.
We're pushing again. This will be number 5. Oh, here we go, here we go. Looks like another dark one.
Now the question is, will it be solid or black or spotted or chocolate
Look
or
at these guys.
what kind of dark?
They're so
They're
sweet.
beautiful.
5 so far. You think there's another one in there?
Yes.
And number 5 is a little boy.
All right, we've had 5 puppies for a little while now, but she just started pushing again, so we might have 6.
And this is number 6. Number 6.
This is the most puppies we have ever had.
Officially broken our puppy record. And number 6 is a little white girl.
All right, here we are right now with 6 puppies, and she just started pushing again. We might have 7 puppies. Like, I don't even know. 5 if this is the most we've ever had, so this is kind of crazy. And we have these sweet babies over here. She has had so many different colors this time. They're gorgeous. Okay, so, well, we have 7 puppies now, and she's pushing again. So, we could have 8 puppies?
8 puppies.
Oh my goodness.
We're just waiting. But these are really cool because in the past, we've mainly just had blacks and whites in our fur colors, and we'd have like 1 blonde. But this time we have all these like different shades of brown. So some of them are I think we've got like 1, maybe 2 that's black, and we have 1 that's a really light cream, and then all the rest of them are like shades of brown right in the middle of that. Oh yeah, she's pushing. Okay. There he is.
What color?
Dark.
We have 8 babies.
We officially have 8 puppies. What is going on? And we've officially been at this for over 3 hours. It's a girl.
We have 4 girls and 4 boys.
We have 4 girls and 4 boys. And now that they're dried off, you can see that they're all different shades of brown. All right, well, there are the puppies, and we will be updating y'all on how they're growing and how it's going. Also stay tuned because my goat is going to have babies in about a month, so be watching for that, and subscribe for more baby animal content.